So this is exactly how to use OLA refund voucher. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular video we'll be looking into nothing but to show you exactly how to use OLA refund voucher. However, before getting started, if this is your first time here, do well to subscribe to this channel right now and turn on this notification and you'll no longer miss any of more important videos. So without having to waste your time, let's get started right away. Understanding your OLA refund voucher. Before diving into the redemption process, it's essential to understand what an OLA refund voucher is. When you cancel a ride or if there is an issue with your booking, OLA may issue a refund voucher instead of cash. This voucher can be used for future rides on the platform, allowing you to utilize the amount as credit towards your next trip. Step-by-step guide to redeem your OLA refund voucher. Check your email or app notifications. After receiving a refund voucher from OLA, check your email or notifications in the app. The voucher code will typically be sent directly to you via these channels. Make sure to note down the code as you will need it during the booking process. Open the OLA app. Launch the OLA app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your account where the voucher was issued. If you do not have the app installed, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and create an account. Select your ride. Enter your pickup location and destination in the app. Browse through available ride options and select one that suits your needs. Proceed to payment. Once you've selected your ride, proceed to the payment section of the app. Here, you will see various payment methods available for use. Apply your refund voucher. Look for an option that says Apply promo code or Use voucher. Enter your refund voucher code in the designated field and click on Apply. The app should automatically deduct the amount of your voucher from your total fare. Complete your booking. After applying the voucher, review your fare details to ensure that the discount has been applied correctly. Confirm all details are accurate before proceeding with payment. Choose any remaining payment method if there is still a balance after applying your voucher. Enjoy your ride. Once everything is confirmed, book your ride and enjoy traveling with OLA. Keep an eye on any notifications regarding changes or updates related to your ride. Important tips for using your OLA refund voucher. Check expiry date. Always check if there's an expiry date associated with your refund voucher. Make sure to use it before it expires. Single use. Most vouchers are single use only. Once redeemed, they cannot be reused. Customer support. If you encounter issues while trying to redeem your voucher, don't hesitate to contact OLA customer support for assistance. Conclusion. Using an OLA refund voucher is a simple way to make use of credits received from cancelled rides or service issues. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that you maximize this benefit during future bookings on their platform. If this video has really helped you, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share this video to help them too. Thanks and bye for now.